This is an anti-choking device for infants, little kids, and adults.
So the person that has a blockage in their trachea, place the device over the person's mouth, press down, and pull. Once the object comes out, typically the person's going to gasp.
It will start to dislodge and pull the objects from the throat upwards. Usually takes one, sometimes two, but it definitely takes your breath away. If chest compressions are not working or you're having a blocked airway, then this is something you definitely want to consider.
And then tilt them on their side in case they need to vomit or spit.
If you ever experience somebody choking, even on like piece of food, and especially if it's a child, you know how hectic it can be. So this is an anti-choking device that works for infants, little kids, and adults. All it is essentially a plunger with 3 pieces, all the way from infant to youth or teen to adult size. You place this over top. So today we're going to talk about this, and again, why you need it. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you something every parent needs to have. This is an anti-choking device. It comes in different brands. Essentially, it looks like a plunger. It's like this, but what this does is it creates a lot of pull to pull out something that could be lodged in the airway. All right, so let's just say a person has something blocked in here. All you would do is you would get one of the face covers from infant to youth or teen to adult size, connect this over it. That's it. And then this goes over the airway. And the way you do it is you press down once all the way, and then you tug it like that. And this will start to unlodge whatever seems to be stuck in the throat or the airway slowly. Now, usually it will work with one. However, if it doesn't, you lift it off and then you put it back on, and then you do it again. The reason you don't want to keep pumping it is because it really literally will take your breath away. Put this over my, and it's already hard to breathe when it's pressed in. And that literally takes your breath away. So that's going to start dislodging whatever it is in the throat. And again, you really shouldn't do more than 2. So you use this when the thrusting, the chest thrusting or the chest compressions actually don't seem to be working, or you've done it enough times and then you believe that there's something inside the airway that is blocking it. So Heimlich maneuvers, this is perfect for that sort of a thing. So they gave you this little travel bag. So I keep 2. I have 1 in the car always, and then I have 1 in the house. Make sure you do get 3 different sizes. Usually choking hazards like this is only available for little kids. There's another elongated tube that is supposed to do it as well, but this is the one that I'm basically reviewing. This is the one that I saw on 60 Minutes. If chest compressions are not working or you're having a blocked airway, then this is something you definitely want to consider getting. So thanks for watching and stay safe out there.